James Grover Thurber was an American cartoonist, author, humorist, journalist, playwright, and children's book author. He was best known for his cartoons and short stories published mainly in the New Yorker magazine, such as The Catbird Seat. He was one of the most popular humorists of his time, as he celebrated the comic frustrations and eccentricities of ordinary people in his writings. The Day the Dam Broke is one of its examples. The Day the Dam Broke is a true account of an unfortunate day in Ohio in 1913. The rumor broke out in the city that the dam has broken, and after that, the chaos and panic spread like fire. This humorous short story is in fact a good example of Thurber's sardonic but affectionate view of human behavior. Sardonic means being very ironic, but affectionate means he is friendly in dealing with describing the events. He subtly, with the use of humor, exposes the human behavior, that how people behave and react in panic situation. This story is also a true depiction of mob mentality. Mob mentality means when a crowd think alike and act alike. Thurber has narrated the experience of his aunt Edith Taylor and his own experience about the great run of the afternoon in Columbus City in a witty manner. Under the facade of wit and humor, the author highlights disastrous incident which happened just by a rumor. The fact was that the residents of Western Side in the Columbus City were as safe as kittens under a cook stove. In spite of it, the safety did not reduce in the least the fine despair which seized upon them. James Thurber has used some important elements in his chapter The Day the Dam Broke. The foremost important elements are the use of irony, humor, and wit in the story. Irony is a part of a figurative speech. It means the expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite. Whatever you say, have a dialogue, or write has totally opposite meaning of what you have said. This is called irony. Humor means the quality of being amusing, that means being funny, or comic, especially as expressed in literature or speech. Being witty or having good wit means having the capacity for inventive thought and quick understanding. It also means having an ability of a sharp mind, having keen intelligence to observe the current situation and promptly depicting it. Now, the second important element is the use of rumor in the story. It means a story or report which is currently circulating but its basis is uncertain or is doubtful. Rumor actually becomes the basis of chaos and panic in the city of Columbus. Due to the rumor which broke out in the city, it created massive panic reaction among the residents. Panic means having a sudden episode of intense fear that triggers severe physical reactions when there is no real danger or apparent cause. The second stigma which got attached with the panic was the mob mentality. Mob mentality, also called as herd mentality, is described as how humans adopt behaviors and follow trends based on their circle of influence. It explains how one's point of view can be easily changed by those around them. In that chaotic situation, when the rumor spread the dam is broken, the residents of Ohio City behaved alike and acted alike. There was no individual thought. Everyone got into the great run towards east side of city because everyone was doing that. This is called rule of mob mentality.